Hello boys and girls, and welcome back. So this week we're going to be focusing on something a little bit different. So last week we talked all about patterns, and I think that you guys have probably become expert at patterns because we've done so much work with it. So we're going to be doing something a little bit different. So today I have some of these. Does anybody remember what these are called? If you remember, you can go ahead and say it out loud. But we have a 5-frame, and we are going to use these today to play like a little activity. We're going to kind of compare some things, okay? So this is a 5-frame, and I've got different ones here. So I've got this one. And I want to know, what are some things that you notice? What are some things that maybe are the same? So how are these two 5-frames alike? Go ahead and think about that for just a second. So something that I notice is you might be thinking, oh, well, they've got different colors. This one's got red and blue, but the one on the bottom has black circles. So that's something that's different. Something that's the same is they all have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares in our 5-frame. They all have 5. They're all using circles. Something else that's different is the number of circles that I see on the 5-frames. So these are some things that are the same but different. So they are both 5-frames though, so we're going to use those for our activity. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at our 5-frames that look like this. So they've got some that are red and some that are blue. So what we're going to do is red is going to be on our right hand, or you can just mirror your hand with mine on your screen. Okay, so red is on my right hand, so if this was the one I was looking at, I'd be holding 3 up on my right hand, and then blue is going to be on our other hand, so I'd be holding up 2. So all together I have 5, so I got 3 and 2, okay? But the trick is I'm only going to be flashing these for just a second, and then you have to pay attention and show me, and then I'll show you the answer and you can check. Okay, so real quickly, if we were going to do an example, I'd flash this up here, put it down, and you guys should be showing 3 and 2. And then we would double check our answer. Did we have 3 red? Yep, 1, 2, 3. Did we have 2 blue? Yes. Okay, so go ahead and get ready. Make sure you're sitting up nice and tall in your chair, bottoms on your chair, and you're ready to learn. So here we go. I'm going to flash it just a few seconds. Remember, blue on your, what was it? Red on your right hand, blue on your left hand. Okay? Here we go. So go ahead and show me what you saw on there. So we know all together we need to have 5. How many goes on each hand? Let's take a look. So we have 1 red and 1, 2, 3, 4 blue. So we should be holding up 1 and 4 on our other hand. Okay, and all together that makes 5. All right, here's the next one. So remember, red goes on our right hand, blue goes on our left hand. And let's take a look at the answer. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red circles. So we should be putting 5 fingers up on our right hand, and we could just do this for a 0 on our left hand because we had 0 blue circles. Okay. All right, here comes another one. All right. I didn't mean to put those 2 are both in a row, but that's okay. So let's check our answer. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blue ones now. So on your right hand, you should be holding up a 0, and on your other hand, you should be holding up a 5. Okay, here's the next one. So remember, red goes on your right, blue goes on your left. Let's check our answers. I may have flashed up a little too quickly. So we should have 1 blue and 4 red. So 1 blue, 4 red. So we had one similar to this earlier. Now it's just switched hands, right? A couple more here. Here we go. So red on your right hand, blue on your left. Let's check our answer. Now we should have 2 on our right hand, and we should have 3 on our left hand. Alright, here comes the last one. Let's check our answer. We have 3 red and 2 blue, so we should have 3 on our right hand and 2 on our left hand, so that one's just reversed of the one that we just did. Okay, so all of these add up to the number 5. So you guys were kind of doing addition just now. If you had 1 finger up, so if we were looking at this one, if you have 1 finger up over here and 4 over here, you could say 4 and 1 equals 5, right? Very nice job today. We will be doing something similar to this tomorrow, but we might be adding something a little bit more difficult, and we'll be talking about some tin frames later this week. Okay, so make sure you have, if you have that blue tin frame I gave you at the beginning of the school year, that would be great. If not, maybe have somebody make you one before our lesson on Wednesday, okay?